Hi, today I'm working in my Saving with Friends binder, and I have 2 5s in here and 21s. And 3, 9, 5, 3. Oh, that shouldn't have been in there yet. 11, 4, 3, 7, 5, got the first 5, 2, 2, 10, 10, 9, 3, 10, 8. It's my birthday one. 1, 3, oops, 6, got the 5, the last 5, 3, and we have a couple more. 1, and the last one is 8. Oops. So, first is from Ellie on Earth, and it got $2. So $2. And then this one's from Budgeting the Bacon, and it also got $2. And then, oops. And then this one's from Emma's Mom Budgets, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then next is from Saving with Tiffany, and it got $1. So I'm just gonna cross one of the twos. Well, a half cross. And then this one's from Budgeting with Onyx, or Budget for Success, Onyx, and it got 6. And then I put in this new one is Mindy's budgeting, and it got 5. Let's see. And then Sunshine and Chaos budgeting. She reached her 1K, but she still needs watch hours. And it got $1. So if you can go watch her channel or in her playlist, I know she would appreciate it. Because she's still trying to get monetized. And we have to have 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. And 1,000 subscribers. She's over the 1K, but she still needs watch hours. And then my birthday's tomorrow. And I saved money for that already. But this is for birthdays. And it got $2. And I'm pretty sure we're going out to eat. We usually do every year. Me, my landlord, and usually her sister and nieces, I should say. This one's from Mindy's budgeting also. It got $2. And then this one we're finishing today from Angela Marie 888, and it got 1, 2, 3. So with this one I saved 21, 2, 3, 4. $24. And I'm gonna add in for next week will be from Money Boss in the Making. Reindeer relays. This is in her Ko-fi, and I think it's part of Christmas in July, I believe. And then this happy birthday is from Windmill Ridge Budgets and More, and it got $1. And my one didn't get any this week. And that's all for today. I'm going to put this in to go to the bank, which I think I'm just going to do like every quarter. And because it's hard for me to get to the bank. It's hard for me to get to town. But I'm going to put this away, and then it'll be going into my sinking funds when I make it to the bank. I'll see you. I'm going to try to do my budget video probably tomorrow. I'll try to get it up. I'll see you in the next video.